Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm Manny, and we are on John Scale Models channel, and he just got a airbrush kit, and we're gonna open it up and check it out. It's a gallery, so
Gallery,
yeah. So this is one of them that came with the kit, the one I did a review on. All right, go ahead, bro. And what comes in this kit?
all sorts of stuff. You're making me read.
No.
Let's see, we got comes with an air compressor, comes with 2 hoses, comes with inline filters, airbrush holder, cleaning brushes. Comes with 2 regular airbrushes and a siphon fed airbrush. And then a cleaning pot, 16 colors, and a color wheel.
Sweet.
Pretty good kit.
Yeah. I've seen some other guys do reviews on the compressor too, and they love it. So
yeah, I've seen Barbados Rex. I watched the video he was doing the
yep,
compressor and airbrushes.
yep,
Seemed to really like it. So
yeah.
where do we start here?
Yeah, start with the small stuff. These must be the airbrushes.
The CS36.
Yeah, I'm interested in looking at that one. What size needle is that? Yeah, 3.8. That's what's in the 39. Oh yeah, look at that. Sweet. Gravity fed.
It's a quarter, half-ounce cup.
1/4 ounce. I'll set that up there.
This one is the CS30.
That's got the 0.3 millimeter needle on it.
Yep.
So that's even a smaller one. That's the one I wanted to check out too.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Sweet. I like it how it's even got the 0.3 needle on it.
Yeah. It looks like it's got the bigger size cup on it.
Yeah, it's probably a 1/4 ounce. Very cool. Kinds of goodies.
Paint here.
Ooh.
Colors.
And it's acrylic because we looked at it.
Yeah.
You know, 16 colors. This is what we're going to be doing, messing with later. All right, so before we go any farther, let's take a quick break, and we'll be right
back.
Right back. Okay, we're back.
We're back. See what else we got in here. There's the cleaning pot.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one too.
Looks like here. You got cleaning brushes in here.
Yeah, sweet.
Here what that is.
It's a tool for cleaning your brush. I got one of those. They're nice.
Glass.
Yep. And inside is the little hanger thing that comes off here, so you can keep your airbrush right in there if you wanted to.
Okay.
Comes with probably, I think it comes with extra filters in there.
See what's in
there. Yeah, open it up. Yep, a couple filters. Yep, little airbrush holder, and that keeps that steady. Just kind of mounts on the top and then goes like that and hits. Goes like that. Very cool.
Cool. And they give you everything with this kit.
Yeah. No, you're not going to see this from your side, so I'll pass it out.
You what?
You weren't going to see that leaning against her, so I pulled it out. Color wheel.
Color wheel.
Very cool.
Even got directions how to use it.
Yeah.
That'll help because I'm new to all this. So.
Yep.
So I'm guessing this is the siphon fed.
Yep. Which, I mean, I'll show you how to use it, but I don't think you'll be using that if you use the other one. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, might as well experiment with all of them, you know?
Exactly.
Get to know all the different kinds and,
yep.
You know, how they shoot, you know.
Yep.
That over there.
That's it. I'll move that.
This dual drive, the GT 918.
Yep. Oh yeah, look at that.
Directions.
Yep. Yeah, they got good directions too.
Comes with 2 6-foot hoses.
Nice. 2 hoses.
Yeah, because it's a dual drive.
Yeah.
The inline filter.
Yep. Very nice.
Very good size filter, huh?
Yeah.
Thought they were a little smaller than that.
Plus, using those, you can hold on to the airbrush better too.
2 of them.
Yep. 2 inline filters.
Oh, airbrush
Holders. Yep. Handle and everything. Look at that. Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah. It's got suction cups on the bottom so that it stays wherever you put it.
Yep. That's nice because it's got the it's got a tank on it. I mean, it's a small tank, but it's still got a tank on it, which is cool. So
not super bulky. It's pretty lightweight.
yeah. There's your 2 inlets or outlets, on and off. This is for the left one and for the right one. And I believe they were push, yeah, pull up to turn it to adjust it, and push down to lock it in the what you need.
On off switch here. See where your airbrush holders go.
Yep. Very cool.
In the reviews I've seen, they said that they're fairly quiet. They're not super noisy. So that's nice.
Yeah.
I gotta blow your eardrums out while you're
painting. Right. And it'd be cool too. We're gonna test it out right now. Get it set up, and
yes, we are.
So we'll be back in a little bit here and do a little update on some stuff and check it out. That's John's Mustang hiding out back there. He's working on.
Yeah, we're getting there.
Yeah. So, all right. What are we gonna do?
We'll be back. Hey, welcome back. we forgot to unbox this airbrush here.
Yeah.
It's the GHAD 68.
Yep. That's the one I did the review on that you saw.
No,
Well, the one that you saw.
this one looks awesome.
Yeah. That is an awesome spraying airbrush.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh. Yeah, that's nice.
It's got your
Yeah, it's
all
got
your
the
parts here, how to take it apart.
Yeah.
That'll help me because
Yeah.
you know I don't really know what I'm doing yet. So
Yeah, well you'll get it.
it's nice for somebody just buying a kit. You know,
Yep.
it'd be really helpful.
So hold that in your hand and just check that thing out, man.
Oh yeah, I like that.
That's sweet.
Yeah.
Wait till you spray with that. It's like night and day.
It's not very bulky either. It's
Yeah.
pretty
Balanced.
balanced. Dude.
Yep. Yeah.
I like the way it sits in your hand.
Yeah.
You know, it's got a nice feel to it.
Yeah. Pistol grip, front trigger,
You know,
gravity feed.
it comes with the extra stuff, the 2 cups,
Yep.
1/4 ounce, 1/2 ounce.
Yep.
Comes with 2 needles as well.
Yep. That's the 5mm needle. The 3.8 is already in it.
Yep. Yeah, that's nice. I like that.
Yeah. All right.
All right. Well, we will be back. Gotta get all set up and see how it works.